Hello po, good day po sa inyo lahat na welcome to my channel, Best Investments by Mitsubishi, and I am a accredited seller of the MCA Home. So today, ang di-discuss ko naman sa inyo is mga sample computations natin para kay Satori Residences. Okay ba? Hello po, so kamusta po kayo? So I hope napanoodin nyo yung mga construction updates natin, and also I hope napanood nyo yung video namin ni Mike. So later on, next nito siguro i-upload ko yung next video natin, namin dalawa. Pero for now, ang i-discuss ko po sa inyo is yung sample computations naman natin para kay Satori Residences. So I know a lot of you are requesting because medyo matagal akong hindi nakapag-upload ng mga sample computations natin. So let's start to begin with. Let's start with Satori Residences. So quick information muna tayo about Satori Residences. So Satori Residences is located along F. Pasco Avenue, okay, in Barangay Santolan, Pasig City. Ngayon, kung familiar kayo kay LRT2 Santolan Station, malapit siya doon. So that's along Evangelista Street. So turn left lang tayo papuntang F. Pasco. So malapit rin siya kay Glass Garden. So this one is a well-known events place in Pasig City. And also, at the same time, it's near SM Marikina, Ateneo, and Ayala Mall Feliz. So malapit rin tayo kay Ateneo, Miriam, UP, and kay Miriam College, and also kay Katipunan. Okay, so for this project po, we have 5 high-rise residential condominiums po that compose of 16 floors for each building. Pero dito po, lahat po ng units natin dito are ready for occupancy na. So that's why ang payment term natin is at 12% down payment in 21 months. So that's our current promo for this project. Okay, so yung last 2 buildings pala, it's subject for turnover na yon. Okay, so starting September, they will start a turnover na for those who invested earlier for this project. Pero for those sa mga bago po, ito po yung pinaka-flexible na payment term na pwede namin i-offer sa inyo. So that's the 12% down payment in 21 months. Kasi usually pagka ready for occupancy na natin, we require a spot down payment na minimum of 20%. Okay, so for the case of Satori Residences, this is our current promo. Okay, so ito simulan na natin. So itong sample computation na to, this one is for Yasu building. So this one is the last dun sa pinakadulong building natin. Okay, so meron tayong i-discuss sa inyo na computation for a 1-bedroom unit and a 2-bedroom unit. So if you will avail the promo, so ang turnover natin dito would be at June 2026. Okay, so a 1-bedroom unit, and that's the size of 27.50 square meters. Okay, so ang price niya is at 4.4 M. Okay, so let's get the promo discount, the 1%, less tayo ng 1%, so less tayo ng 44,000. So ang contract price natin would fall at 4.3 M. Okay, so let's get the 12% down payment amounting to 527,000, and less the reservation fee of 20,000. So ang net down payment natin is at 507,000. So ngayon, ito na equally divide natin for 21 months. So imagine, para siyang naging pre-selling na, diba? So ito yung the best promo term natin that we could get for an RFO project. Okay, so for 21 months, ang monthly down payment is at 24,100. Okay, and then yung remaining balance mo na 88%, so ito na yung loanable amount natin. Okay, so the price is at 3.8 M. Okay, plus the closing fees of 461,000. So ang estimated natin na monthly amortization for 20 years at 32,000, for 15 years at 34,000, for 10 years at 45,000 pesos. Okay, so the next computation naman natin is for a 2-bedroom unit, okay, na ang size niya is at 53.50 square meters. Okay, so dito kay Yasu, ang roof deck niya is service area. But pagka ang pipiliin mo na mapipili mong unit is kay Rahu or kay Hakana, pagka may mga reopen tayo na 2-bedroom, so doon meron tayong service, roof deck pala. Wala tayong service area. Okay? So dito po, ang price ng 2-bedroom unit natin kay Yasso is at 6.2 million. So let's get the promo discount na 1%. So less tayo ng 62,000 pesos. So ang contract price natin would fall at 6.1 M. Okay? So let's get the 12% down payment amounting to 740,000 and less the reservation fee of 20,000. So net down payment natin is at 720,000. So let's equally divide that to 21 months. So for 21 months, ang monthly down payment natin for a 2-bedroom unit is at 34,300. So let's get the so yun for 21 months, and then the remaining balance natin for 88 the remaining balance of 88%, so that's amounting to 5.4 M plus the closing fees of 648,000. So yun yung magiging loanable amount po natin. So ito na yung estimated na monthly amortization natin. So maximum of 20 years at 45,000, 15 years at 48,000, 10 years at 63,000 pesos. Okay? So yun po. So that concludes my discussion for the sample competitions for Saturday residences for this month of August 2024. So if you want to know more about this project po, nandiyan yung mga numbers ko po naka-flash sa screen. You may contact me anytime through Viber, through WeChat, through Facebook Messenger, through WhatsApp. Okay? We can also schedule an online presentation via Zoom, or pwede tayo mag-schedule ng site viewing. So pwede ko kayong i-tour doon sa project natin na yan. So again, thank you very much for watching po, and please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell para every time na nag-upload ako ng bagong video kay YouTube ay mananotify po kayo. So thank you very much for watching po. God bless po. Stay safe po. Bye-bye po.